Hello friends. It is truly an honor to stand before you today to talk about a recent and important event that Queen Mary of Denmark attended on September 23, 2024. This event was the Danish Nurses Organization's national conference, a significant occasion that brought together professionals from across Denmark's healthcare system. Queen Mary, accompanied by her Mary Foundation, made a remarkable appearance, and her presence added a sense of prestige and importance to the gathering. As many of you may know, the Danish Nurses Organization plays a crucial role in advocating for the rights, education, and working conditions of nurses across Denmark. This conference provided an essential platform for addressing the many challenges facing the nursing community, particularly in light of the global health issues we've all seen in recent times. Queen Mary's involvement in this event speaks volumes about her commitment to supporting those who care for our health and well-being every day. Now, when we talk about Queen Mary, we cannot forget her tireless dedication to philanthropy. Since establishing the Mary Foundation in 2007, her mission has been to improve the lives of vulnerable groups, children, victims of domestic violence, and individuals suffering from social isolation. By attending this conference, she further demonstrated her compassion and willingness to stand with the professionals who dedicate themselves to public health. Let me take a moment to highlight how Queen Mary carried herself during this event. Dressed in an elegant floral maxi skirt paired with a soft pastel blouse, she showed her well-known grace and impeccable fashion sense. Her outfit was the perfect blend of professionalism and approachability, which was reflected in her warm interactions with the attendees. It's no wonder she continues to be a fashion icon, effortlessly balancing royal elegance with modern-day trends. But beyond the fashion, what truly stood out was Queen Mary's engagement with the nurses and healthcare leaders present. She took the time to listen to their concerns, especially around the issues of working conditions and mental health support for nurses, topics that are incredibly relevant today. Queen Mary didn't just attend this conference as a figurehead, she participated as someone genuinely invested in the healthcare system and the people who make it work. Through the Mary Foundation, Queen Mary has long been dedicated to addressing social challenges, and this event was another example of that commitment. Her foundation continues to work in areas that improve quality of life, and attending this conference was a clear demonstration of her advocacy for healthcare workers, who tirelessly look after the health and safety of others. Her presence at this conference also speaks to her broader role as a leader within the Danish royal family. Queen Mary is someone who leads with both compassion and action. She ensures that her work, particularly through the Mary Foundation, remains closely tied to the most critical needs of Danish society, especially in healthcare, where the challenges are often immense and the rewards deeply meaningful. So, as I reflect on Queen Mary's participation in the Danish Nurses Organization's national conference, I can't help but be inspired by her leadership. She reminds us all of the power of standing with those who dedicate their lives to caring for others. And by highlighting the challenges and triumphs of the nursing community, she brings greater awareness to the invaluable role these professionals play in all of our lives. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.